Hello everyone, Sans here. In this video, let's do the unboxing of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. The box of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite comes with 8 Lite print on the front. And on the right and left side, there are also Mi 8 Lite print. This Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite becomes one of the Xiaomi mobile phones that can be your choice at price of $150. This phone can also be a direct competitor of Redmi Note 7. At the back of the box, there are specifications of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite with 24 megapixel front selfie camera, dual rear cameras, and also Snapdragon 636, just like the Redmi Note 7. For the front camera resolution, this phone is bigger than Redmi Note 7. The Redmi Note 7 is only 13 megapixel, while this phone already comes with 24 megapixel. You can check the result of the camera test at the end of this unboxing video. Okay, here's the contents of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite package. On the top of this box, there is usually the SIM card tray ejector and also a protective case. And this is the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite cell phone. Let's put it aside for a while. Apart from the cell phone, we also got USB Type-C cable and also a charger adapter. The charger adapter of this phone is available with 5V 2A. Okay, here's the small white box at the top of the package. We got an adapter from USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack, since the Mi 8 Lite does not come with 3.5mm audio jack. Then we also got a SIM tray ejector. And we also got a manual book. Because this is the global version, so it's already in English. And this is a protective case behind it. It's kind of jelly case. Okay, now let's immediately see the Mi 8 Lite cell phone. Let's pull out the front cover first, and also the back sticker. And this is the camera sticker. Okay, now let's immediately see the Mi 8 Lite cell phone. Okay, here is the rear view of the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. It looks quite luxurious with the glass material on the back. And on the front, we got a notch at the top. Now let's try to turn on the cell phone. This is the first display of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. Let's set the settings in the Mi 8 Lite first. The SIM card slot in Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite comes with hybrid card slot. So it can only be used for one microSD and one nano SIM card, or two nano SIM card without any microSD card. Here's the first look of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. Now let's take a few sample photos from Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite rear camera. Let's try to take photos of this food first. This is the result of the first photo sample. And the second photo, let's try with AI enabled. And here's the photo result when AI enabled. Let's try it again. With AI enabled, this camera can detect some objects of the photos like this food, so the color can look brighter and more appealing for your photos. Here's another photo sample of the environment around this cafe. Let's try to take one more photo. Okay, that's all the sample photo of the rear camera. Now let's take some photos using the front selfie camera of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. And here's the example of 24 megapixel photo from Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite front selfie camera. Okay, that's all for the unboxing video of Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you like this video, and subscribe for those who have not subscribed yet. See you in the next video.